Hello, artist. I want to invite you to my brand new course, Floral Playground. This is all about painting flowers in a carefree, loose, fun, intuitive, color focused, process focused manner for messy brains and people that want to paint flowers but don't want them to look super realistic or don't want to copy reference photos and just want to have fun with this wonderful subject that lends itself so well to intuitive, playful, color focused practice. Now, the reason that I'm sharing this again is because I'm doing a live run and we start actually tomorrow. So I hope you will join us. This live run is just a real opportunity to get full access and full support from me and from other creatives. I don't know that I will do this again, and I can promise you it will never be cheaper than this early bird small launch price. So if this is interesting to you, I recommend that you join us, but also check. This is the website where you can read more about the course and, of course, also buy it. Now, I have all kinds of pet peeves about floral painting courses. I've taken so many. Some were great, some were less so. And so I really wanted to create a course that I wish had existed. And a few things that I did here is, first of all of these here, like all of these, are paintings that we do together start to finish. I have a little pet peeve where you buy a course, you see these gorgeous images from the artist, only to discover that those are like finished, polished pieces, and what you're actually doing in the course is very, very different from that. Or that you see this amazing piece of artwork and then you realize you're actually copying to the T a reference photo with all kinds of techniques that make my personal brain hurt. Dividing to squares and doing the super accurate sketch. And I'm not saying those are bad techniques, not at all. Those are fantastic if they work for you, but I don't like painting that way. And I still want to get results that I love. So this is like my brain hacking course for florals. And as I said, like all of these images here, like all of these pieces we do together, start to finish in the course, and you can learn to make this kind of fun work. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can email me. You can DM me on Instagram. I would love to answer. We start on July 1st, 2025, and you still have a week to join before I close registration. And I just want to focus on this lovely small group. We are a small group. Right now, there are, I think, almost 30 people. It'll probably be a little bit more, but it's a very lovely small group. So you will get a lot of personal attention. And of course, you have access to all of the materials for at least 2 years. So even if this is not the right time for you, but you're interested in the course, I do recommend getting it now because the price will go up after I close registration. And I don't even know when I will open it again, probably not during the summer because I just really want to focus on the live run. That's all the info. I hope you'll join us. This is a really, really fun course. And it's just if you want to play with color, then I invite you to join us.